of India. For this, he is rightly remembered as the Bismarck of India and the unifier of the nation. Without Patel's leadership, India would not have been the strong and united country that we see today. His dream was of one India, powerful, united, and independent. And it's our responsibility as young citizens to protect and strengthen that vision. नाज़रीन मोहतरम, आज हमें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि सरदार पटेल का ख्वाब एक ऐसा हिंदुस्तान था जो सिर्फ आजाद ना हो बल्कि मुत्तहद हो, मजबूत हो और खुददार हो। उन्होंने हमें ये सबक दिया है कि कौमें ताकत से नहीं बल्कि इत्तेहाद से जिंदा रहती है। दोस्तों, पटेल सिर्फ एक सियासतदान नहीं थे, वो आवाम के रहनुमा, किसानों के मसीहा और नौजवानों के सरबराह थे। उन्होंने कहा था, हमारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत हमारी यकजहती। अगर हम मुत्तहद हैं तो कोई भी ताकत हमें झुका नहीं सकती। आज जरूरत है कि हम सरदार पटेल के पैगाम को याद रखें। इत्तेहाद में ताकत है, इत्तेहाद में ताकत है, कुर्बानी में अज़मत है, कुर्बानी में अज़मत है और खुददारी में आजादी है। So let us salute the great son of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the man who turned the idea of one India into a living reality. Thanks.
Thank you. Wonderful thoughts indeed. Thank you, Peter Inam. Lord Mountbatten described Patel as the Bismarck of India, the architect of her unity. Or in simple poetic words, I can put it like this: he joined the fragments, he healed the land. He joined the fragments, he healed the land. India united by his guiding hand. Let's now call upon the days Malik Siratul Tanzil from class 12 to deliberate on the topic.
या अल्लाह अगर तुम मुझ पे करम करे, या अल्लाह अगर तुम मुझ पे करम करे, वो बात दे जुबान पे जो जिस पे असर करे. Esteemed principals, sir, respected teachers, respected all other renowned personalities, my dear brothers and sisters, and rest of the listeners. First of all, I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings. That is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today, I am going to throw light on the biography, devotion, and an uncompromising effort to unify the princely status to make a diverse, colorful, rich, and unified India. He was a person with a charismatic personality, and whosoever I am talking about is none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was born in 1875 in Gujarat. It was not only his birth as a child, basically, it was a birth and a rise of the new India. He was one of the oppressed people living in India. As he was deeply inspired by M.K. Gandhi, he decided to take the profession of lawyer to raise his voice against the cruel, unjust British rulers, to save and fight for the oppressed people of India. If we talk about the role he played in the pre-independent India, there is a lot to discuss about. Like Khera Satyagraha in 1918, as Gandhi organized the peasants like Quit India movement in 1942. He was senior leader of United National Congress, where he played a major role in organizing the party. He was instrumental in organizing the Congress party machinery for election and build its strong for freedom fight. While when India got independence in 1947, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was elected as the first deputy prime minister and home minister. He integrated more than 500 princely states into the new nation. He reformed the administration setup to provide a strong base for new democracy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel tackled the challenge of partition, restored law and order, and led efforts to rehabilitate refugees. His uncompromising commitment to national integration earned him the enduring title of the Iron Man of India. He is regarded as one of the founding fathers of the Republic of India. उन्होंने गांधी जी के शान और बशान हर एक लड़ाई लड़ी ताकि कमजोर को इंसाफ मिल सके, मजलूम आवाम को राहत मिले, चैन के दुर्बल नसीब हो और हिंदुस्तान का आज़ादी के कब्जे से निकलकर अपनी खुद की एक हैसियत और वजूद रख सके. But unfortunately, the Sardar, the Iron Man of India, came to an aesthetic end, like the last bit of a beautiful novel in 15th of December 1950. This was the journey of the legend with his great legacy. They still remember him as Iron Man of India. Here is a quote, remember, here are heroes, then there are legends. Heroes are remembered, but legends never die. वो कहते हैं ना कि विश्वा कुछ इस अदा से की रुत ही बदल गई, विश्वा कुछ इस अदा से की रुत ही बदल गई, एक शख्स सारे शहर को वीरान कर गया, हमें अलग नहीं लग रहा.
I am Suhail Bashir from Government Higher Secondary School, Larni, and today I am standing in front of you to delve into a topic of most importance, the topic that has been drawing captivity or attention. I stand in front of you with the opportunity to journalize
on this topic and direct your attention towards. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to talk about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel refers to Vallabhbhai Jawahar Patel, a prominent leader of the Indian independence movement and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. The term Sardar is not a part of his name, but a title meaning leader or chief. It gives to him his leadership qualities and ability to connect with the message, making him known as the Iron Man of India. For his fame resolve in integrating India into a single nation after independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's biggest contribution was organizing the princely status and incorporating then the federal structure. For this reason, our year is celebrate the 31st October, a National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in 1991. The salute of the Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has been started from 31st October 2013 and was a dream project of Indian PM Shri Narendra Modi. The total cost of building the statue is more than INR 3,000 crores. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has been built on an island in the Narmada River near Sardar Sarvar Dam. But it's called the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India due to his strong leadership and unification factors in integrating previously unification of India. He is widely remembered for his critical role in convincing over 562 princely states to join the Indian Union following Union independence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. That was a good insight on your part. I may remind you that again, sir, because we had information to prepare for students, but it is day before yesterday or yesterday. I can say yesterday we asked our students to prepare themselves. So we appreciate on your part that you have prepared to this extent. Next time, inshallah, Rahmat, you do your maximum once again. So moving ahead, it was beautifully expressive. Patel firmly believed, listen dear students, Patel firmly believed caste community will rapidly disappear. Try to comprehend my words. Caste community will rapidly disappear. We have to speedily forget all these things. Such boundaries hamper our growth. As a couplet says in Urdu, na bedbhav na jati. This is Hindi. Na bedbhav na jati na rang na zuban. Na bedbhav na jati na rang na zuban. पटेल का सपना था एक हो मेरा हिंदुस्तान. अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा मंच पे PSI विशुदेव सिंह जी को. 1-2 मिनट में वो भी अपने यहाँ से विचार रखेंगे. तो धन्यवाद चाहिए उनके लिए.